Hello everyone, this is Helen. Now I'm in the Landpack filling machine workshop. A few months ago, we received the customer that they require to filling and packing the fertilizer products with 5-liter buckets and 10-liter buckets. Now the filling line is ready and behind at me. Today I will show you how we will do the filling line to packing the 5-liter and 10-liter fertilizer products for our customers. It's a full automatic filling line for 5-liter and 10-liter buckets. Now let me show you one by one. Firstly, the feeder will automatically separate one by one buckets to filling. The conveyor will storage the buckets to be ready to feeding. And this is the belt feeding conveyor to auto feeding the 10-liter buckets one by one when you need to switch to filling 10-liter in the production. The filling machine requires the electric scales to filling and weighing and filling the products into the buckets. You can easily to switch the different filling weight on the touch screen. You can see all the conveyor is stainless 304 for double running and easy cleaning. After filling, the auto capping machine will auto pick up the lid one by one to each bucket by the vacuum suckers. After pick up the lids, it will be auto capping, pressing capping, and then going to the feed output collecting. Now, let's start running this filling line. If you have similar products required to filling or similar buckets or containers required to filling, contact us. We could provide you the turnkey solution for you. Thank you.